last season I got injured, so I was off for half a season, so everything had to start from zero, from the scratch, and new bike, everything. So we started already with a quite good setup and everything, so it went actually very easy, but later on we made little changes there, and it made it even more suitable. We stayed basically mostly in Belgium till New Year, and I trained with my trainer Tommy, which is a team trainer also, and it's really nice to work guy. Really good, and I think he prepped me really well, because we gave 100%, and I think I never was that fit before. Houston is always fun to come. It's a really special track with that big hill and everything, and then on the other side some sandy places and everything. And this year the weather is so far really nice. It's nice track, real nice track. But I wanna start first getting good races now, you know, and then we see what's my goal. But I have high hopes on me, because I know that with this bike I'm capable a lot, and I know that I have the skills to ride it, so let's see what it brings.